students, today we will continue with this chapter 21, The World in My Home. Now, what should I do? So here Akshay loves his grandmother very much. His grandmother also loves him dearly. But she is very particular about cleanliness. So Akshay's grandmother was very particular about cleanliness. Anil is Akshay's friend and his grandmother likes Anil too. But one thing that she tells Akshay again and again is that he should never eat or drink anything at Anil's house because frequently someone or the other at his house is sick. So here Akshay's grandmother had forbidden him to eat or drink anything in Anil's house. One day there was a volleyball match in the big ground near Anil's house and everybody was tired and thirsty after the match. So Anil invited everybody to his home. Anil's mother gave water to all of them and they drank it. But when Anil handed Akshay a glass of water, he suddenly remembered his grandmother's warning and Akshay stared at Anil not knowing what to do. So here, do you know why was Akshay confused? Because Akshay's grandmother told him not to drink or eat anything at Anil's house. Why do you think Akshay's grandmother warned him not to drink even water at Anil's house? Because Akshay's grandmother is very particular about cleanliness and someone or the other at Anil's house is always sick. So that Akshay's grandmother warned him not to drink even water. Who will decide? Karshan comes from a large family. His elder uncle looks after the family, their fields, money matters, etc. He decides about all the small and big things for the family. Till now, Karshan has worked in the field. So Karshan has worked in the field till now, but now he wants to do something different. He would like to borrow some money from a bank and buy a chakki machine to grind grains. There is no such machine in their village. Karshan is confident that this new work will help him to earn more money for his family. Father has agreed to let him try the new work, but his elder uncle is not agreeing to this. I don't like it. Meena and Ritu were going home after playing Langri. So Meena told Ritu to come at her house. But Ritu asked, is your uncle at home? If he is, I will not come. So Meena told, why do you say that? Uncle likes you. So Meena told Ritu that her uncle likes Ritu and her uncle was saying bring your friend Ritu at home and I will give both of you lots of chocolate. So Ritu pulled her hand away from Meena and saying that I am scared of your uncle. I don't like it when he even touches my hand. Saying this, Ritu went home. So now what do you understand by this incident? So this incident is about good touch and bad touch. So if you were at Ritu's place, what would you do? So if I were at Ritu's place, I too would have done just what Ritu did. I would keep well away from such people and I would not like to go to any place where such people are present. So here, let's discuss about good touch and bad touch. You know, some people's outlook and their behavior is not right or good. So it may be possible that Meena's uncle was not good to look at or his behavior was not good or correct. So Ritu felt scared of him and did not like the touch of his hand. So if anyone touch you and that you don't like it, so never be afraid to shout and say don't touch me. So this is all about this chapter. In next period, I will send you PDF file of this chapter. So write down in your notebook. Thank you.